Representative, is Line 5 important to the people in District 110?
Line 5 is critical to the people in 110. It provides propane to 60-70% of the residents. A lot of people use firewood as well, but propane is the real basis for their heat, and it also provides a ton of jobs downstate and Canada as well.
The Michigan Propane Gas Association has a rebate program, and this is to offer families in the UP the Energy Star furnaces and water heaters. And how do you think that is received by the families up in the UP?
I think it's received very well. With the high cost of electricity, being one of the highest costs in the nation, propane is a very viable option for people, for dryers and other utilities. It's a great option to explore, and the rebates are a big help and assistance as well. Propane, say, compared to firewood, propane is a clean heat. It's a predictable heat. Rates right up there with one of the cleanest fuels available. So it's important. And I also like to add that a lot of people use propane for their businesses. It's an affordable heat rather than electricity, which we pay some of the highest electrical rates in the nation. So propane is a very viable option.
There's over 700 school buses that rely on propane. I know the UP runs on propane, some of their buses up there.
I know there was a school district that tried some EV buses, but that didn't work so well with the cold weather, where I know propane would be a better option by far.